like to pinch, I like to eat. When I'm in the tide pool, I hear the birds go.
She loved it. There was absolutely no holding her back.
You're learning so much every day.
I haven't heard of another camp like this.
Exactly what we wanted.
And being outside and playing, that's where it's at.
Fun. Fun. Fun.
Here at Harpswell Heritage Land Trust, we believe it's important for kids to play outdoors and explore nature. Each day we visit a different habitat. We schedule our days so there is a mix of structured activities, which are always very hands-on, and unstructured exploration time. We include science and art, music, stories, and games to keep our days engaging and varied and lots of fun for campers.
I love how much they're learning about the different kinds of streams, mud flats, different sorts of trees. They're coming home and they're making pictures about things that they have learned, so it's marvelous.
And she comes home and she talks about finding this and finding that and how big things were and how it felt. And I think they do a great job of articulating the different habitats, talking about the different animals, some of the adaptations within each habitat.
Yeah, the deep connection to the earth, that is the most important part. They really get to explore. They get to meet new friends.
I'm learning about animals and like what they're called. And I get to hold stuff that I've never held before.
Yeah.
And I get to see stuff I've never seen before.
I think the camp is important for my child, number one, because she's having fun.
And I get to learn about nature.
She's learning about nature. She's having hands-on experiences in all multiple different settings in Harpswell, increasing her awareness of nature. And she's right in these different settings, feet in, hands in.
She's thrilled. She's happy. She loves it here. We couldn't be happier about the experience that she's having here.
Interesting. Outstanding. Amazing. Awesome. 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 We love nature.
Come explore with us this summer.
The kelp healed me, I didn't die. And then they gave me a piece of pie. And that's the story of the Harpswell storm. I think about it when I eat sweet corn. Give them a hand.